Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I have a new razor. This one is the Hero adjustable safety razor from Beardandblade Supply Co. And this is a company in Victoria, in Melbourne, and I just purchased this one. This was $130. So let's have a little look inside. Nice little box with Hero written on there. A little slide out. Comes with a little user manual. And the razor itself. Let's have a look at this. This is nice. It's got a really nice texture. So it feels like, or looks similar to like a Rex Supply razor. It's really got a really nice sort of brushed satin finish on it. Numbers on the bottom to adjust the sensitivity of your shave, all the way up to 6. So you can see that gap as I move down, it adjusts. And then the bottom plate here is, I think you unscrew that and here, keep unscrewing. Then the plate comes out. So it's a 2-piece with the plate on the bottom. Very nice design. Very well made, feels really nice. Pop that in there and then screw that back up. I like it. It's got some good weight. It's not too long. The handle's quite short, which is okay for my hand. I don't have huge hands, so it's quite nice. And a box of Astra blades in there as well. Superior Platinum double blades. These ones, I don't know if they're made, I think these ones are made in India. But that's a nice bonus, get 5 blades. Let's have a little look at the instructions. What it says here. Welcome to a better shave. Turn the dial to match your skin, beard and mood for total control, comfort and a closer shave with less irritation. Settings 1 through to 6. 1 being mild, 6 aggressive. And it gives you instructions on how to load it, how to hold the razor, use short strokes, shave with the grain, apply gentle pressure. So nice little basic info. Now I do believe that these have got a 2-year sort of warranty on them. So if you do have any problems with them, they will return. You can return it and they'll either replace it or fix it there. So on the bottom here you can see it's got aggressive 1 to 6, Hero BB26A. And the little logo at the bottom there. But yeah, I think this is going to be a really nice shave. I hope so. I'm looking forward to it. It's a very nice razor. So there you go, guys. The Beardandblade Hero in the box. Nice packaging. And we'll see how we go with this one. I'm looking very much forward to it. See you next time, guys.